Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Now today we're making beef empanadas, Colombian beef empanadas. So this is the second part in our video series for Colombian street food. In our first video we made benuelos, so deep fried cheese balls. So I'm going to link that video here, I highly recommend you check that out. But today we're going to make beef empanadas. So a beautiful crisp corn pastry going into that well-seasoned, slightly spiced beef filling. Let's get right to that recipe.
Okay, so to start we have some maize flour and some gluten-free flour. So just bring that together in your bowl. Next we'll add a drop of olive oil and some water. Get your hands in here to form the empanada dough. And with the empanada dough we're just going to cover that with some cling film and rest that in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so for the filling we have beef and pork mince. So this will add and bring together some potato and we'll come up with our mix right here. We've also seasoned this with some onions, some garlic, some red peppers, some peas, spiced with a little bit of cumin and a little bit of chili powder as well. So this is our empanada filling. Okay, so with our filling made, we'll move on to our empanada dough. So you want to take some small round balls, like so. So place your empanada dough in the middle of a piece of cling film. And then you want to gently press this out. Get the dough nice and thin. Take off your top layer of cling film and add empanada. And use your cling film just to pull over. Use your fingers to lift that out into a workbench. The edge here. And final seal. Just running a fork and the outside. Perfect. Perfect empanada.
Thanks for watching the video guys, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please make sure to like and to share it. And to not miss the next video in the series, make sure to subscribe to the channel and to hit the bell notification so you know when the next video lands. I'll see you next time.